Dear students, very good morning all of you. Okay. Yes, off your mic.
Good morning.
So dear students, let's start today's lecture. And we have started the lesson Galileo. Galileo we have started. What is the name? Galileo. So here I am going to write Galileo. Galileo. And I told you who was Galileo. Galileo is astronomer. He was astronomer, he was scientist also, and he invented one thing. He invented a telescope. So he was astronomer. Astronomer invented telescope. Invented telescope is very important. That question will come. Question will come. Who invented telescope? Who invented telescope? The name of the person, Galileo, invented telescope. Invented means what? Making. To prepare, to make, to create. But first time, newly. Like we have watch, mobile, many things are. All these things are invented by people only. So that the telescope invented. There are lots of things. I just want to ask you, who invented mobile also? Who invented TV? Who invented an airplane? Who invented an engine? Many things. Who invented computer? So these all things are very important. You should find out the names of person who invented these all things. So Galileo we have started, and in the first paragraph I told you about the earth. About the earth I told that earth revolves round the sun, and then there was scientist, there was astronomer. The name of the astronomer was Galileo, and he born in the year 1564. 1564 he born in Italy, Italian town of Pisa. And then another name also I told you. First time who invented telescope? Hans Lippershey. Lippershey. So first Hans Lippershey invented telescope, but his telescope was not good. He tried to invent only. He tried to invent a telescope, but his telescope was not that much good. So we also want some quality material, helpful material. So he tried to invent, Hans Lippershey tried to invent a telescope, but first who invented a proper, good, useful telescope? Galileo invented telescope. Then dear students, we are going to start today third paragraph. We are going to start third paragraph. I will read. And I will write here points. Points also you should write down, and then I will explain the points. Third paragraph. When Galileo heard about the invention, he became greatly interested in it. He had at this time begun to study astronomy, and he saw that the invention would be a wonderful aid to the astronomer. He set to work on making a telescope for himself and very soon succeeded in making one which was better than the one Lippershey had made. So this is the third paragraph. Third paragraph I read here and I will write the points and I will explain. So the third paragraph about Galileo heard about Lippershey's telescope. This is the first point. This is the first point. Next. Then, study of astronomy. Astronomy. A wonderful aid to the astronomer. Astronomer. He worked on it and soon made a telescope. Success better than old one. So dear students, these are the points of third. These are the points of third paragraph. Let me explain what are the points. So dear students, previously only I told that Galileo invented telescope and Hans Lippershey also invented the telescope. But first who invented? Not Galileo, Hans. So, dear students, when Hans Lippershey invented telescope, this is telescope, invented, Hans Lippershey invented telescope, that time Galileo heard about the Lippershey's telescope. So whenever, that is the meaning of what? Whenever your friend, for example, I am taking your friend. If friends, your friend, any of your friend, if he bought new cycle, you will come to know, oh, my friend bought new cycle, I also want cycle. Because my friend bought new cycle, I want. He got new dress, I want a dress. He got mobile, I want a mobile. This is common. He got shoes, I also want shoes. Same thing happened here with Galileo because first the telescope invented by Hans Lippershey. Yes, no? He invented a telescope. And Galileo heard the news. That Hans Lippershey made one telescope. And by using the telescope, we can see 3 times nearer and bigger by using the telescope. Galileo heard about this. And then, that time Galileo was studying astronomy. Galileo was the student of astronomy. So Hans Lippershey made the telescope for general use. General use means what? I want to see you like this. To watch you, Afnan. To watch you. To watch river. To see mountain. To see animals. Hans Lippershey made telescope for that purpose. But Galileo was the student of astronomy. Galileo was the student of astronomy, and astronomy means what? Study of sky. Astronomy means study of sky. So he was studying the astronomy, and he heard the news that Hans Lippershey made one telescope. He thought it would be a wonderful aid to the astronomer also. Galileo thought, if I make such a telescope, it would be a wonderful thing, wonderful aid to the astronomer, because astronomer means the study of sky, and that telescope will help to see all the star, planets and all, and their study will be easy. So Galileo thought, why should not I prepare the telescope for astronomer? Because Hans Lippershey also made one telescope. I also want to make, because he was a student of astronomy, and telescope was really important for the astronomer, because they want to see the moon and the planets. So that's why he thought it would be a wonderful aid to the astronomer, and then Galileo started to work. Galileo started work. He worked on it. He worked on it means what? He worked on a telescope. He started making telescope. He started studying, and he worked, because if you want to make something, you should work. Without work, it's not possible. Anything is not possible without work. Eating also not possible without work. Marks and study also without work. Work means study is also work. Afnan, study is also work. So he worked on it, and when he started working to make a telescope, soon he made a telescope. Yes, success. Success means what? He became successful. He succeeded, dear students. He got the success, and he made a telescope. He invented telescope which was better than old one. Which was better than old one. Better than means what? Old one means what? Old one means Hans Lippershey. Hans Lippershey's telescope was old one, and it was better than Hans Lippershey's telescope. So Galileo made one telescope, and he succeeded in his work, and his telescope was better than Hans Lippershey. So that's why we know that Galileo invented telescope. This is easy. So who inspired, who encouraged him? Actually, Hans Lippershey. Hans Lippershey only encouraged him, because he only invented first telescope, and idea only given. Hans Lippershey gave the idea to Galileo, and Galileo thought that this type of telescope will be wonderful for astronomer also. So I should also make one telescope, and then he worked and he invented the telescope for astronomers, and that telescope was better than old one. So dear students, now here next paragraph I will read and I will explain. But before that, I want to ask questions. Okay, Afnan.
Yes, sir.
So tell me how Galileo made telescope. What idea?
Study of astronomy and astronomer.
But how did he get the idea? How did he get the idea of making telescope? Who will give the answer? Who will give the answer? Afnan. What idea made him to invent a telescope? Tell me, who invented first telescope? Who invented first telescope?
Hans Lippershey.
Hans Lippershey. So only that, Afnan correct. Hans Lippershey invented telescope. Only that idea helped him to make new telescope. Then, which telescope was better? Which telescope was better? Whose telescope was better? Tell me.
Galileo, sir. Galileo.
Very good. Galileo's telescope was better than Hans Lippershey. Understood? Okay. Off your mic. Points write down. Now, dear students, next. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now, fourth paragraph. Fourth paragraph. I will read and I will explain. So, very soon succeeded in making one which was better than the one Lippershey had made. Galileo's telescope was the first that was ever turned towards the stars. Looking through it, he saw 100 times as many stars as he could see with his bare eyes. He looked at the Milky Way, the broad white band of light seen across the sky at night, and found that it contained millions and millions of faint stars. He turned the telescope on the moon, and what he saw filled him with amazement. On the moon's surface, which seems so smooth, he saw high mountains and deep valleys like those on the earth. So, dear students, here this is the fourth paragraph. So, after making telescope, so Galileo invented telescope. So what is the use? Only Galileo invented telescope, and when he used that, what he saw? So when Galileo used the telescope, he saw. So Galileo for what? Actually Galileo used a telescope because he only invented a telescope. So he used a telescope, and what did he see? So first here I am going to write the points. What did he see? Exact. Then I will explain from telescope first time what he saw. What he saw. So first, hundred times as many stars. Then Milky Way the broad white band of light seen across the sky. Then it contained millions of faint stars. So first let me explain this only. Okay. So when Galileo invented telescope, and after making the telescope, he used the telescope and he saw 100 times as many stars. 100 times as many stars means what? Here, without a telescope, we cannot see the stars properly. Because the size of star we can see like a small stars only. But if we use a telescope, that stars can be appeared bigger. So he saw 100 times as many stars, and also he saw one thing, and that name of the thing is the Milky Way. The Milky Way. Milky Way is what? The Milky Way, the broad white band of light. White band of light seen across the sky, and in that Milky Way, in that white band, millions of faint stars were there. Millions of stars in that band of light, and the color of band was white. White band of light, white band of light seen across the sky. So he saw across the sky white band of light, and it contained millions of faint stars. Faint means not dark. So millions of stars in that white band of light. So he saw that Milky Way, broad white band of light also, and also he saw 100 times as many stars. Wonderful. Now dear students, next what he saw, I just want to write and then I will explain. First this, second white band of light, broad white band of light, it contained millions of faint stars. So now Afnan, he did not see only stars. Actually, he turned his telescope to the moon. Yes. Then he turned the telescope on the moon. he saw on the moon's surface so smooth, high mountains, deep valleys, so first he saw stars, millions stars, broad white band of light in the sky, and 100 times as many stars he saw. And after seeing, dear students, what he saw? Next he saw, he turned the telescope on the moon. Moon means moon, you know? Moon. Moon means in the sky. Every day we can see moon. So he turned the telescope on the moon, and on the moon, on its surface, he saw something surprising. He saw something amazing thing. Dear students, what happened? Internet problem? Okay, so now here on the moon he saw high mountains and deep valleys. On the moon he saw high mountains and deep valleys like on the earth. Means here from earth we can see moon like this only. Sometimes like this, sometimes like this, sometimes like this also, sometimes like this. Moon we can see from the earth like this. But when he saw by using telescope, on the moon, dear students, he saw mountains and valleys on the moon. Mountain means what? Mountains means like these mountains are there. On the moon, mountains and deep valleys are there. So, from bare eyes we cannot see the mountains, we cannot see the deep valley. But by using the telescope, mountains and deep valleys can be seen. So that is the use of telescope. From the earth only, we can see stars, planets, moon, and on moon what is there, we can see it. Okay? So dear students, here actually wait 29 minutes.